Okay,
The only
I'm
thing,
logging in from the other one.
yeah, I just sent you the Google Meet invite on WhatsApp. Again for testing, though we are on active on Zoom, I'm just testing if I can broadcast this one. I've tested it with one of my friends. We got on a Google Meet. I was
Okay,
broadcasting Google Meet directly to YouTube or to Facebook from OBS.
okay.
What we
I
did?
just logged in from
Okay, let me
mobile.
let me hop in. Okay, this camera is standby. Let me put in a different camera. I have
Okay,
see on a PC you can use multiple cameras. One is like the DSLR webcam. Where is my other cam? Okay, let me hop in on my phone instead of the okay Google Meet. Okay, the webcam is
इसमें मेरा मेरा लैपटॉप में the picture quality is not so good, even though we have 8 GB RAM and all that. Everything is there on the technical side, but I think the camera seems to be a bad, I
no
mean, output
OBS.
if you see.
OBS does good job only. Oh, the camera.
Okay,
Okay. Now the good thing with
camera
the
I was
cam.
just one.
Ha. See the good thing with camera. Okay, let me join now. This is where many of us fail. Okay, admit. Okay, can you switch on your camera? Ha. See the good thing. Okay, I'll mute one of the microphones because there will be an echo.
Right, yeah, that's
Okay.
right.
Yeah, the echo will be only because the audio from this microphone to the other microphone to this microphone, it's like we have two devices each. As of now, did you mute yourself or?
Yes, I muted.
Okay, but okay, I can hear you, but that's okay. See, now we are, we are live on Google Meet. I'm recording this through OBS, and also this is getting recorded on Zoom. Zoom, where is Zoom? Yeah, this is the Zoom one. Zoom is, yeah, I'll stop share. That way we can see the Zoom one in full window. Yeah, this is the Zoom one. So we are on Zoom and let me start share again. Yeah. So this is like the inception meeting in a meeting in a meeting. It's like, I love this. I'm doing this for the first time, by the way. I mean, I've never tried Zoom meeting with a Google meeting and recording a meeting within a meeting.
Always first.
Ha. So, no, the only thing with camera quality, sir, ready, sir, is this is um, the only thing with the camera quality is the lights. I just ordered this on Amazon. I'm showing you this because these are the Siska LED bulbs. You get it for 500 rupees or on Amazon. I got a 50% off. I got each one for 250 or 300 bucks. They just arrived actually. I'm showing you because they just arrived. It's a 18 watt. Can you hear me? Maybe we can unmute. Shall we end one of
Yes,
the?
yes.
Okay, I'll end the. Okay, wait. The Google Meet. I'll see if I can record it. Okay, there's no setting. Maybe it's only in the premium version, I guess. Google Meeting, audio, video. I'm not getting an option for recording on a Google Meet, but through OBS we can record. OBS does amazing job compared to all the other softwares which I have tried. I have tried Bandicam also. Bandicam is a expensive software. You pay to pay uh, what you have to pay. The free version has the watermark. Again, you have to get rid of the watermark and all. This is again $20 or this $40 one PC license. I guess this is for lifetime. Okay, which is good, not bad. and I've tried the Loom. Tried so many. After trying everything, I've decided to go with only OBS recording. So I'll end this Google Meet. Where? Can you still hear me, sir? You're muted.
Sorry, I was on mute and
Okay,
I was
okay,
just
okay.
talking.
I can't hear you. Okay, now I can hear you. Now I can hear you. Okay, so
Yeah.
Loom.com does the recording, but it's like the cloud version, just like LinkedIn or Facebook, um, which works, but it's slow and the quality wise is not that good. Uh, then I've shifted to whom these guys Bandicam. I've tried Bandicam, the watermark. I was trying to get rid of the watermark. You have already tried Loom in the past, right?
No, Loom I didn't check actually.
Oh,
First
okay.
time I'm hearing actually. I am used.
No, Loom
Mm,
I shared with you last time when we had a call, maybe like 2019 when we spoke with each other.
Loom, huh?
This one, you will have this is like a 30-day free trial, loom.com. You can still see my screen,
Loom.
right?
Yes, 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 yeah.
They changed the logo actually. The logo was different. So you can hit record and you can put a Chrome extension and then start recording whatever is on the screen.
Mm-hmm.
Initially, for birthday wishes and all, I used to use Loom, but I would strongly recommend you to get the LED lights because the video is all about capturing light. Photography,
Mm-hmm.
we know photon means light. Photography is
Mm-hmm.
graphy again, study of photon, study of light. It's all about which direction of light. So if you have good LED lights, good LED bulbs, which are like not expensive one. Many people spend lakhs of rupees. People spend 20-50,000 on lights, professional studio lights. But
Oh, okay, okay.
if you know what kind of
One
lighting
I
you,
got in IKEA actually. ఒకటి ఐకియాలో అంటే రెండు చిన్నవి తీసుకొచ్చాను. ఒకటేమో చిన్న ఎల్ఈడి బల్బ్ లా ఉంటుంది విచ్ ఇస్ లైక్ దీనికే పెట్టేటట్టు. ఇంకోటేమో ఇట్లా స్టాండ్ అన్నట్టు. అంటే బట్ ఇట్ యాక్చువల్లీ ఎమిట్స్ మోర్ లైట్ దాన్
okay.
వాట్ రిక్వైర్డ్. అది ఛాలెంజ్ అయిపోయింది దానివల్ల.
If it is contrast will be very high if the light is too much.
అవునవును, కరెక్ట్ కరెక్ట్ కరెక్ట్.
Burnout లాగా కనిపిస్తుంది. But
అవును.
if you are using a DSLR, any DSLR, maybe I would say worth 1 lakh. Adi minimum and a full resolution DSLR which goes in auto mode. Normally the other DLSR, this one, the vlog cameras are there. If you use a vlog camera which is like 60,000, which is on Amazon, I was watching couple of vlog cameras and wait, there is this other camera which Mary Smith uses. I don't know. Do you know Mary Smith, the web Facebook lady?
No, I didn't
She
really.
Mary Smith Facebook. She uses this one camera which I was exploring last night.
Okay.
Uh, she's the one. She officially Facebook also partners with her, and she does
Wow.
sessions for many people worldwide. She's a social media influencer.
Okay.
She uses one cam which I was exploring when she was live. She's a premier Facebook marketing expert. If you watch
Oh.
her lives, it'll be like awesome. She's one of my favorite go-to person when it comes to doing live streams.
Mm-hmm.
So this lady, she uses a cam. See, yesterday she was like,
Hi,
you
friends.
see her
Greetings,
quality.
greetings. Okie dokes. We've got some updates for
Yeah.
you. As it says there
Super
in
good
my
quality.
subject and description.
And the camera which she was using, again, she partnered with Verizon. They are doing this upcoming workshop on for small businesses on webinars. This is a Shark Tank one, but let me bring you the camera which she was talking about last night. This is the camera which she uses for live stream. Do you see this Mevo?
Okay.
This is
Oh, this is
worth.
on Amazon?
This is this is worth $300 if I choose. I don't think this is on Amazon, but less than $500. Like with a budget of 50,000, everything will be solved. I mean, this is the camera which Murray Smith uses. That's what, as per my research, showed. Amazing camera, only for live streaming. No,
Wow.
this is all-in-one live streaming. And the cameras which I have seen, I had been to Facebook office in the building 9, the Facebook Hyderabad office, because of our T-Hub, what's her name? Not Shanta. Our T-Hub director, Shanta only? No.
I know.
Our T-Hub director, what's her name? Oh God, she'll kill me. Prem had taken me, the Facebook accelerator, T-Hub CEO, our Warangal girl. Oh God.
Oh, yeah.
Who?
Sridevi.
No, not. I mean,
Shetty Sridevi, no?
no. Okay, no.
Warangal.
She,
Oh.
our
Oh,
T-Hub
V-Hub,
director.
ah?
T-Hub director.
Vadu Ravi Narayanam,
Not
CEO.
Huh.
But
No. This.
Shantane, Shanta Totam.
Shantotama. Wait.
Shanta Totam.
She had taken me to Facebook office many times, and at Facebook office they use this Canon. Those are super expensive. They're like 12 to 13 lakhs worth each camera. The Canon EOX series. This something like this. The 300 Mark III. $10,000 is how much? $10,000 is like maybe 6 crores or
No.
60 lakhs.
7 lakhs.
These are the same cameras they use with the 200 mm's Canon EOS 200, which I have seen. I told Kyo if I could record short video of what they are capturing, and they said no. The reason, see, these the kind of lenses which they use with the low aperture, because that studio effect will come. So I taken selfies. They didn't allow me to take a picture of the equipment which they have, but I remembered the equipment they were using. One studio room of just like a small bedroom size studio, but amazing equipment they have. They have amazing lighting on the top, on the. It's all about lighting, sir. It's
They can afford to put the best ones, but within our limits, I think, as you said, the LED one, which will be
this
sufficient
if you
for
know
our rooms. Which
that's right. If you know the direction of light, if it's only one way or it lit up the entire room, because people in JNFAU also, JND Fine Arts, they learn light theory for 4 to 5 years, as in the light, the color gamut and all. If you know the direction of light, if I put you in a dark room, and if you open the windows, if you find out which is the direction of the light, that should be more than enough to play around with light. And
okay.
And in light or color gamut, we have this different versions of light, as in the red, green, blue, but the color spectrum, if you know what kind of light which we are talking, obviously the visible spectrum, but what is that light? Now in IKEA, whatever the lights which you bought, what is this light? Cold, warm, the Kelvin. If we look at this one, see, everything again in terms of light, either it is sunny or it is cold or warm. If you know the Kelvin of the light, which you are using.
Oh, that's how you need to identify. Okay.
Whatever. See, most of the LEDs which we purchase will be within the cool light, somewhere between
Okay.
here.
Okay.
Can you still see my screen?
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
So many people make huge mistake because they don't know how to play around with the light.
Mm-hmm.
And
Yeah.
whether it can be daylight, the warm cold light, which is the bluish, or it can be too hard or too harsh, which is like the sunlight. The only reason I'm taking you details is because once you understand light, you can play around with it like a pro.
Correct. 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 That's important.
Ha, this is very minute details. This is very small details, but it's very important, which many people ignore. As in, that's okay. I'll use some other whatever the light, and if they don't see the kind of result they have, they'll be like, they'll hire an expert. Obviously, they'll pay him extra money. When we pay money, we feel, oh, I've done a good job. That's what they
And
think.
got a good one.
Many people in US. Actually, the good thing about global market people in UK, US, Canada, they're ready to pay $40, $90, or $20, or $15, whatever. When they pay money,
For a
they are
quality
happy.
output. Yeah.
When they pay money for whatever the resolution they are looking for, they are happy. If they don't pay money, they are not at all happy. Trust me. No
They
matter
feel
you,
that there is substandard work done.
you bring Mark Zuckerberg on video chat, you bring Satya Nadella, or you bring Bill Gates on the call, and you give them resolution. If they didn't pay, they will not be happy. I've experienced it many times, and
Yeah.
they see value, they see improvement, they take action only when they pay. That's one thing. And I mean, if it was not you, if it was somebody who is not, if somebody who said, Raj, what to use, I would never get on a call with them because I've seen you. You have a huge network. Your team is awesome in terms of HR recruiting. Even I filled my form on Who's This Network for the affiliate franchisee and all. I tried to see what kind of work from home or business can be done in recruitment.
Oh, is it?
I've done it, but I knew maybe we have to pay 1 lakh, 5 lakh, or 10 lakh. There is some investment involved. And I've been following you, and again, we are huge fans of Meghana. So
That's
it's
the
like
connection.
I always see my daughter as in somebody who will grow as it's like somebody who will make India proud, somebody who will make our society proud, helping other children and all. So
How old is she now?
my daughter, she's 10 years. Hope, I mean, with respect to this pandemic, if we didn't have this thing happening, I guess Glendale, right? Glendale International Academy, or you told there was some international center or some space coming up with the training.
ఇది ఇక్కడ మన గాడియం.
Guardian, okay, Glendale Academy in Guardian. My daughter, she's 10 years. Shrestha?
Oh, I think it's the right time.
Right time. And they spend too much time on Roblox. Roblox is a forum for children, which again, come here. That's okay. Have you heard about Roblox? The reason I'm sharing these guys, Reddy sir, is these guys play live. She.
Oh, the
Okay,
time.
maybe let's. Okay, okay. This is Shrestha. Say hi.
Hi, Ma. How are you?
Hi.
Hi, Nana.
She's like, no, you have seen. I've shown you one
No
gymnastics.
schools nowadays?
All virtual calls, and I've shown you one akka, right, doing gymnastics and all. One video. Walla nana, the dad.
హాయ్ నాన్న.
అక్కడ
సో నువ్వేం చేస్తావు? నువ్వు జిమ్నాస్టిక్ చేస్తావా?
చేస్తావా
స్పోర్ట్స్ ఆడతావా?
the reason sports
But
ani
do you like?
Sports.
Sports as in she plays basketball and all. She doesn't know
Nice.
much about gymnastics. But the reason I brought Roblox is both my kids, my son also 9-year-old, they have 164 million active users monthly. This is the Roblox. Uh, it's like LinkedIn and Facebook for us. Roblox is for these children, these kids. They
Wow.
play
Wow.
live.
Amazing.
They play live with other kids on uh, they
Which
it's
class
like
she is in now?
she's in fourth class. Which class you are?
Moni Chandra.
That's okay. Which class you are in, Uncle Adutu?
4th grade.
Fourth grade. Okay, nice. Glendale లో ఉందా ఇప్పుడు?
No, they are in Vignan Botry school.
ఇప్పుడు అట్లా
Can you
Okay,
still
okay.
see the screen like
Mhm.
okay, the reason I'm sharing this is because these guys they play live with other children who are live, and
Okay.
this guy, the team who is behind Roblox, set of coders, but they've been doing it for almost 15 years. What they do is they get
మనం
into
కూడా చేయొచ్చు గేమ్ we can also
they can also create their own games and all that.
Very nice.
Like learning
Maybe
coding
probably
with
my son would know.
how
My son would know more on that. He plays quite a bit, but I don't know which one he plays. So
okay.
he's 16, so 17.
Oh, he's
so
16.
maybe
Then
plays different things.
he would definitely know about this.
He would know definitely for sure.
Do you see this screen,
Hey, Raj.
ready, sir? Like, do you see
Raj.
what she's doing? Do you see this?
Yeah, yeah.
It's all virtual rooms.
There was one this thing no earlier M తో వస్తున్నది అండి. That was very famous. I don't know. My kid he subscribed also to it. Earlier.
The PUBG kind.
Minesweeper, Minesweeper, Minecraft.
Minecraft. Yeah.
కానీ అది డబ్బులు ఉంటుంది
Minecraft might
అదే
be
డబ్బులు
premium
కట్టాడు
version.
వాడు.
మనీ
Wow.
డబ్బులు కట్టాడు. అప్పుడు కట్టించాడు నాతోని.
No,
ఇప్పుడు
Minecraft-
ఆడలేడు అనుకుంటా. Now I think when he was young, I think he was playing. I don't think anymore he plays that.
Yeah, Minecraft is more of like doing algorithm or calculation, right? Too much of calculation.
మాన్స్టర్స్ తో ఇటు నవ్వడం
Okay, start playing. That's
Right.
okay.
Raj, I need to get onto a call.
Yeah, sure.
Another 5 minutes, okay?
That's okay.
So,
Okay. But
yeah.
again,
So,
I'll send you.
నాకు లింక్స్ పంపించవా ఇవి?
Yeah, sure.
ఒకసారి లింక్.
I'll send you all the links, sir. Yeah.
Yeah.
Chalo, thank you so
ఒకసారి
much.
వీళ్ళకు వీళ్ళకు ఒకవేళ గార్డియం ఏమన్నా ఇఫ్ యూ వాంట్ టు చెక్ విత్ దెమ్ ఫర్ నెక్స్ట్ ఇయర్ జస్ట్ లెట్ మీ నో
Yeah, but
బికాజ్ ఐ
that's,
థింక్ ఇట్స్ ఆల్ ఇంటిగ్రేటెడ్ స్పోర్ట్స్ ఇస్ పార్ట్ ఆఫ్ అంటే అంత మంచి ఫెసిలిటీ హైదరాబాద్ ఎక్కడ లేదు, ఇండియాలో కూడా లేదు యాక్చువల్లీ. కొన్ని చాలా ఇన్వెస్ట్ చేశారు.
yeah.
డెఫినెట్లీ ఐ థింక్ గ్రేట్ యూస్.
Sure, sir.
జిమ్నాస్టిక్స్ కూడా వచ్చేసింది, ఆల్మోస్ట్ ఎక్విప్మెంట్ కూడా వచ్చేసింది.
Yeah.
మోస్ట్లీ 3 months లో ఇంకా కంప్లీట్ గా ఈవెన్ జిమ్నాస్టిక్స్. ఫుట్బాల్ ఈజ్ ISL టీమ్స్ ఆర్ గోయింగ్ టు ప్రాక్టీస్ దేర్ నౌ.
Wow, this is in
అందుకే
Nanakramaguda, right?
జస్ట్ చూడు. గాడియం ఇదే నానక్రామ్ కూడా కాదు ఇక్కడ. అంటే అక్కడ బేసిక్ అది ఉండేది. ఇట్ మూవ్ టు అనదర్ వన్. నేను ఇది గాడియం ఇంకోటి ఉంటుంది వెబ్సైట్ కి.
Okay, the Gaudium.
ఐ థింక్ ఎర్లియర్ ఇట్ వాస్ దేర్ ఎట్ దిస్ థింగ్ కొల్లూరా ఏదో ఉంది ఆ పేరు. జస్ట్ ఇది సో ఇందులో స్పోర్టోపియా అని ఉంటది ఒక యూనిట్.
Okay.
దట్ ఈస్ ఎంటైర్లీ లార్జెస్ట్ స్టేడియం యాక్చువల్లీ ఫర్ బాస్కెట్బాల్, బ్యాడ్మింటన్ అండ్ ఆల్సో ఫర్ జిమ్నాస్టిక్స్, స్విమ్మింగ్.
Kollur campus.
20
Gachibowli
sports.
campus.
కొల్లూరు
Okay, Vilmela
20
village. Okay.
గేమ్స్ ఉన్నాయి.
Yeah,
20 games ఉన్నాయి. దే ఇన్వెస్టెడ్ సమ్ 600 crores.
Wow.
సో ఎక్కడ లేదు, ఇండియాలో ఎక్కడ లేదు. సో ఇట్ విల్ బి వర్త్ యాక్చువల్లీ ఇఫ్ యూ జస్ట్ లుక్ ఎట్ ఐ డోంట్ నో ఇఫ్ యూ కెన్ అఫోర్డ్ ఆర్ వాట్ ఎవర్, బట్ ఐ థింక్ దేర్ ఇస్ నథింగ్ లైక్ ఇట్.
It's like as if sending somebody to, abroad, I guess, UK or US or Australia, right in Hyderabad.
ఆమె ఏం చేసిందంటే రట్గర్స్ లో చదివి ఎగ్జాక్ట్లీ అక్కడ ఎంతైతే స్పోర్ట్స్ ఫెసిలిటీ ఉందో అంత క్రియేట్ చేసింది ఇక్కడ.
Wow.
ఓన్లీ స్పోర్ట్స్ కే ఐ థింక్ అరౌండ్ 250 crores అయినట్టుంది.
Wow. 250
ఓన్లీ
crores.
స్పోర్ట్స్, యూ కెన్ ఇమాజిన్. ఓన్లీ స్పోర్ట్స్ అండ్ అనదర్ 300 మేబీ ఫర్ ద అదర్ స్కూల్. rest of the school.
Sure, sir. I'll look into it. Thank you so much.
Yeah, check
And
చేయండి.
again,
Okay?
if you face any
Let me know.
challenge, hit me up.
Sure.
Yeah.
Okay.
Thank you. Bye bye.
Okay.
Take care.
Yeah, thanks, ma. Bye. See you. Bye.